Alright, Dave, here's your 427 FE engine. Give you a description and combination. You've got the Edelbrock heads on it, test and grind solid roller, Edelbrock manifold with fuel carburetor around 3/4 belt. The can't move the front wall pan. Mark said Serpentine setup. Sure the alternator functions. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 495 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 498. Peaks horsepower 466, so the front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. Receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, and it's full of technical information. Eric Craig will be using the spec sheet. I recommend reading it. Have a great day.